Good evening, everybody. This is another live severe weather briefing. USA forecaster JD Rapp back with you in the Breaking Weather Center. Couple new severe thunderstorm warnings again, so let's go right to Storm Commander and we'll sort it out. I'm going to sort this one out. We have about 50 miles of gust has been reported from a station, so that's getting some gusty winds. Starting to get a new severe thunderstorm warning still in place, so we still have a tornado watch in effect about 11 p.m. now, so definitely a couple more hours of these storms to get going. But we could have some more tornadic weather. This severe thunderstorm warning goes in effect 11 p.m. for south central Greene County, north central Orton, um, Lincoln County, and Pitt County, Mantor County, and north central Beaufort County. Set runs in effect into around 11 p.m. 10:41, severe thunderstorm was located along a line extended 8 miles southeast of Scotland, Nick, Scotland, England, Stanley, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. So, folks, this is a fast-moving thunderstorm. So, definitely, you're not going to have a lot of time to overact with these storms. So, folks, this is very fast. So, you're not going to have time to go down the road somewhere. This is a fast-moving storm. When it moves like 80 miles an hour, just think about vehicles. I mean, you're traveling on the road, and I mean, I hope a lot of people are probably not right now, but this is how fast this line of thunderstorm is moving. Is that at that speed, it's very quick. So you're not going to have a lot of time to even to go down the road, and because this is a severe thunderstorm line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind damage, but this storm is moving northeast at 80, so 60 miles of wind gust with the storm. So definitely you could get some very fast moving line of thunderstorms. Are not going to be on top of you that long, folks. These will sit on there and they'll be gone pretty quick. So definitely these storms could have a weak tornado spin up. So if you're in um, Winston or parts of let's see, Hamilton here over here in DC, you definitely want to be take these storms really seriously because these storms could gust up to 60 miles an hour. That could bring down trees and possible some power lines. So definitely you want to take these storms seriously. The warnings are going down pretty quick right now, and just leaving us with a lot of flash flood warnings that's going to be causing some ponding on roadways. So severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Jones County and central North Carolina. Um, uh, let's see here what we got in place. Craven County and central North Carolina, Oso County and central North Carolina, South Central Gauntlet County and North Carolina, Creighton County and central Carolina to 11:45. At 10:38, severe thunderstorm was located along a line extended from Express Creek to 7 miles south of Johnny Mooney's near poor Pierre Mooneystown, moving northeast at 65. So this is a quick storm, so has for 60 miles of wind gusts. When you have storms like this whole area could produce a brief spin up tornado. So definitely take cover when storms are issued today. Definitely you need to do that because these storms are having a history of some wind damage this evening and possible a quick spin up tornado is not out of the question. We still got plenty of shear there with this whole line. And special marine warnings are continuing because new tornado watch, I just think they got issued. Let me pull up the computer here and take a look at this on my phone. It's because the tornado watch is just continuing now here, I think, to 3 o'clock in the morning. Let me pull up the computer because this is a new watch just got issued. And it's for parts of North Carolina, this tornado watch goes in effect about 3 a.m. So we may not get out of the woods until 3 o'clock. Looking at models from the last couple of days and been doing jobs in this whole situation is we may get out of the woods about maybe 3 o'clock or more. This line maybe would be out by then. I mean, we need to be keeping an eye on it down because these storms could be producing tornadoes along the day. These storms could be producing tornadoes a lot. Quick spin ups is possible. We're not talking about EF5s or anything, but these could still spin up a lot. In fact, about 3 a.m. in the morning. This is a new tornado watch place, so you definitely want to be aware of that. All right, so we got 3 severe thunderstorm warnings. I'm reading some new information. Still 50-mile gusts. We had reports this evening of water, still water over the road, so make sure you turn around and find another route. More water has been reported. I'm starting to get down trees near a creek. More water, more down trees tonight. And this little narrow line, I'm going to take a look at this, is where the tornadoes spin up deal could come in place. And it's still not even out of the area. We still have tornado watches that now just cover the area to about 3 a.m. And I also want to put out the Storm Prediction Center has already just dropped the enhanced risk and just go ahead and look up a slight for the rest of the evening. So we could see a few new severe thunderstorms for the nighttime hours. I know it's going to be Christmas morning soon, so still have your plan in action just in case you go under a tornado warning. So you're not still out of the woods yet. By morning, we should be out of the woods, and I hope everybody has a good Christmas. We will continue to watch storms like this and follow up updates as we need to. For now, I'm going to sign off.